Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we will learn how to solve the practice problem smaller divisible number. So basically in this problem we would be given a value n, okay, and we need to go from 1 to n and we need to find the number that is evenly divisible by all the values between 1 to n, okay. Now for example n is equal to 3, okay, n is equal to 3, that means we need to include 1, 2 and 3, okay. That means we need to include these three values. Now we need to find the smallest number which is divisible by 1 as well as by 2 and as well as by 3, completely divisible. Now we can easily see that 6 is the smallest number. See, basically if we go to 4, 4 is not divisible by 3, right? If we go to 5, 5 is not divisible by any of them, right? It's a prime number. Now if we go to 6, we can see that 6 is divisible by 1, 6 is divisible by 2 and 6 is also divisible by 3. So the smallest number that is divisible by all the values between 1 to n right now is 6. So basically my output is 6. I hope the question concept is clear to you. Now let's solve the question. Okay. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose basic. Okay. Then you need to find the problem smallest divisible number. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay. So let's solve it. 1 minute. Okay. Here is the question. Let's read it. Given a number n, find an integer donating the smallest number evenly divisible by each number from 1 to n. I hope the question is clear to you and we need to code it over here. Okay. So let's code the solution. Okay. So the first step is I would import the math module. Okay. So import math. Okay. Now I would come over here and I would declare a equal to 1. Okay, enter. Now I would apply a for loop for I in 1 minute, for I in range. Okay. Now circular bracket starting from 2 comma n plus 1. Okay, colon, enter. Okay. Now a equal to a I. Okay, because we need to check the divisibility / math. Now why don't we calculate the greatest common difference? So that is why GCD, the inbuilt function. Now over here a comma I, enter. Okay. Now over here I would just return with the value a. So basically I am finding the greatest common divisor. Okay. That's the easy way. Now I can just return with a. Now let me check if the solution is correct or not by clicking on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay, let's wait. Problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem, smallest divisible number. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.